Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Toyota CHR.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.